I'm Miss Karen with the Volusia County Public Library System. I am here to go over Fun Fact Friday, which today is all about helicopters. Fun fact number 1. The helicopter was invented in the 1930s by Igor Sikorsky. Fun fact number 2. Helicopters fly when the spinning rotors create a lift force that pushes up on the rotor blades and lifts the helicopter off the ground. When the rotors start to spin, air flows fast over each rotor blade. Fast-moving air above the rotor blade has lower pressure than the slow-moving air below the rotor blade. This creates the lift force that pushes the helicopter up into the air. Let's make a rotor and watch it spin. So this is what you'll need. One piece of paper, either lined paper or a piece of printer paper. You will need a pair of scissors, one paper clip, and a writing utensil. Be sure to get an adult's help with this project. So I'm going to use this paper today. Let's fold it in half. So now your paper should look like this. Let's fold it in half again. So now it should look like this. Now we're going to fold it one more time lengthwise. So let's do this. Fold it one more time. Here we go. So now your project should look like this. When we unfold it, you're going to have 8 rectangles. Here are your rectangles. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut out one rectangle. So let's cut out one rectangle. I love this project. It's so much fun to watch it spin in the air. Okay, so now you should have one little rectangle just like this. Now take your writing utensil. I have a blue marker today. We're going to draw 2 lines right down the middle, about 1/2 inch apart from each other. So let's do this. 1 and 2, just like that. Now this side, let's make one line right in the middle, coming down. Let's see. Now it should look like this. This side, we're going to make 2 lines, about 1/2 inch apart. Let's see, 1 and 2. So now our project looks just about this. Now these lines here, this one right here, let's cut that apart. So here we go. These are now our rotor blades. Now this side here, I want you to cut this little line here and this little line here, but be sure not to cut the whole thing across. So we're going to cut a little one here and a little one here. Now we're going to take these 2 ends and we're going to fold them. So let's fold one and then the other so that they meet together. So now this is what our project should look like. Take this end, fold it about 1/2 inch up. We're going to add weight to it with our paper clip. Let's take our paper clip. There we go. Here's what our project should look like. We have one final step. Our rotor blades, they need to go in opposite directions. So let's fold this one down this way and backwards this way. So now that's our little helicopter. These are our rotor blades. Air pushing up on the rotor blades, which are in opposite directions, make it spin. Let's see what we can do. Let's make our helicopter rotors spin. You can drop it from this position or you could throw it. Let's see how it works. And there you go. We made the rotor spin. Now experiment with your helicopter. What happens if you change the direction of the rotor blades? I think it spins in the opposite direction. What happens if you only have one rotor blade? Have fun with your helicopter.